This prompting trick saved me at work today. You can prompt LLMs on their own output by telling it to do something based on what it said instead of what the user said. Let's say I'm making a personal assistant, and if the person has an emergency, it needs to call 911. But you might be wondering, how does an LLM call 911? Well, we can say if it ever says this, instead of showing that to the user, we'll call 911. So this will send I'm calling 911 to the user and then do it. Quick aside, when ChatGPT searches for something on the internet or generates an image, it's likely doing the same thing under the hood. But our problem was that it was outputting this. So it would say it's calling 911, but not actually do it. But that's where this technique came in. We told the LLM to call 911 if the user was having an emergency. So its instructions was based on the user input, and it was only working about 60% of the time. And this type of prompting is standard, basing instructions off what the user said. But when I added the instruction, if you said you called 911, you must output this, now the instructions are based off what the LLM said. And it started working 95% of the time. And this works because LLMs generate output one token at a time. So each time it outputs a piece, it adds that to the text and uses that whole thing to generate the next one. And you can exploit this mechanism so it will do things based on its own output. And this saved me because we have a potential client testing our product tomorrow. And if it failed this badly, we'd be in trouble. And hopefully this trick might come in handy for you too. To support an off-brand Zuck and for all things AI, drop a follow.